guys, I'm going to show you the steps that I take in order to get the red lashes. So I use my NYX white eyeshadow base with my Travel Size mascara brush, and I brushed that all on the lash. Then I went in with my red liquid Maybelline lipstick, and this is a matte finish, so I applied that to the brush, and then I started to brush that onto the lash, and then I continued that until it was covered to my liking. Here I'm going in with my Morphe 3502 palette, and I'm using the color Fire from that palette, and I'm just brushing that onto the lash on top of the red that is already appearing. I just feel like the eyeshadow would help it stand out a little bit more. So that's what I'm doing here with my brush, going in with the color Fire and applying that to the lash. Alright guys, so for the next lash, I'm just really repeating all the steps I did for the first lash. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. This was my first time attempting to do this, so it was a little messy, but hopefully if I do it again that I can find some better techniques or better process that can help me achieve the color lash without it being so messy. If you guys enjoyed it, please don't forget to like the video, comment below some things you do if you've done this before or what you've seen that works better. I would love to hear that from you guys. But as always guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.